Meaning of extemporize.
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 Extemporize. Extemporize means to improvise or speak or perform something without preparation. It refers to the ability to create something on the spot, without relying on pre-planned materials or scripts. The result of extemporizing can vary widely depending on the person and situation, but in general, it involves a level of spontaneity and creativity. Extemporizing can lead to innovative ideas, unexpected solutions, and engaging performances. However, it can also be risky and less polished than planned presentations. Overall, extemporizing requires quick thinking, adaptability, and confidence.